Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Running is hard work, but with a bike, you can zoom faster, farther, and carry more, all with your own power. How does this two-wheeled marvel work? The heart of any bike is its frame. It's the strong, light skeleton that holds everything together and keeps you balanced. Unlike a car, your legs are the engine. Every push of your foot is turning chemical energy from your food into awesome pedal power. Your feet push the pedals, which are attached to metal arms called cranks. As your feet go round, the cranks go round. The cranks are connected to a big, toothed circle called the chain ring. This is the start of the power transfer. A flexible metal chain connects that big ring to a smaller gear on your back wheel. This chain is the messenger of your power. When you pedal, the chain ring spins, pulling the chain. The chain then pulls the back wheel's gear, making the whole wheel spin around. Bikes have gears. Shifting gears lets you choose how hard you want to pedal. Big gear for speed, small gear for climbing hills. How does it stay up? When the wheels spin, they act like gyroscopes. The faster you go, the more stable the bike becomes. The handlebars are your steering wheel. They connect to the fork, which holds the front wheel. Turn them, and you turn the bike. And to stop, you squeeze the brakes. Rubber pads grab the wheel rim, using friction to slow you down safely. Some bikes have suspension. It's like springs and shock absorbers that soak up bumps to give you a smoother ride, especially off-road. Tires matter. Harder, smoother tires roll easier. Soft, knobby tires give you grip for dirt, but make you work harder on the road. Wind is like pushing through invisible mud. Racers tuck low to become more aerodynamic, letting the wind slide past them easily. Bicycles are amazing. They are clean, produce no pollution, and get you great exercise. They are good for you and good for the planet. From playtime to getting to work, bikes are more than just toys. They are incredible machines that use simple science to move us forward. So next time you hop on your bike, remember all the clever science working together to turn your leg power into pure, rolling fun. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.